kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Just like you guys requested enough. Yes, man. Curry goat recipe in your kitchen anytime of the week. Ready for the table. Now, if you guys are watching me cooking this curry goat recipe that you have requested, fast, easy, and simple, make sure to follow me on my YouTube channel. Follow me here, guys. Subscribe and share the recipe with friends and family, right? You want to sit on and turn up the one, yeah? Come on, let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. I'm gonna walk you through this recipe like 1, 2, 3. This is one of the recipes that you have been requesting. How to make Jamaican curry goat in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. I'm gonna show you how. Now I have my goat meat right here that has been cut into the desired pieces that I want it to be cut in, right? Your choice for that. Now, after you get doing that, you want to make sure that you have a fresh lemon, salt, and some vinegar to make your meat nice and clean. You also want to have some cold water. Have 2 cups of cold water to clean up your meat real nice and clean. A good clean kitchen where I talk about with good clean food. Now all you want to do is go ahead and squeeze your lemon into the meat like that. Then you add your vinegar to it. You also add your salt like that. And then you also want to add some cold water. Just like that. Depending on how much meat you cook, 1 cup or 2 cups or even more. Right? So you go ahead and add that. You cover it up on your surface in a nice room temperature part of your kitchen and give it about 30 minutes and then you rinse it off. Well, okay goodies, now that my meat is nice and clean, just the way I want it now, it's time to season up the meat and make the meat real happy. So, the first thing I always do is add salt and black pepper to it, right? Then I add my onion powder and my garlic powder in, even make it more happy. Now I'm gonna add some Jamaican all-purpose season, and I love to use the Grace brand. I'm gonna add some pimento seeds to it, and based on how much you're cooking, you might need more, right? So this is green season, and this is the one that I made at home. I'm going to put the link down below to show you how to make a mean green season in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple for any kind of food where you make, even vegan food as well. Now, I'm going to add the curry powder to it. If I'm not using keep-around curry powder, which I love so much, this is the only curry powder that I use. It's the Ocherius brand. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of curry powder to it, just to make the meat happy. We add about a tablespoon there. And all the amount and everything that I use for the recipe will be listed down below. Now, this right here, you can season overnight for the best taste. Now, I'm not going to be doing that, y'all. I'm going to be just covering this up for about 45 minutes. That's it. Then I have the time to season meat. Now, you're on the go all the time. So we're going to make this fast, easy, and simple. We're going to cover this up for about 45 minutes and just let it sit and marinate. All that green seasoning and everything that I put on here. We're going to make this meat happy, y'all. Look at that. The thing smells so good already. Now, goodies, make we talk about our vegetable dish right here. So, I have some onions, tomatoes, scallion and thyme. Over there you'll find bell pepper. I love the flavor and the color that it gives to my meat. We're going with green, red and orange. Also I have some ginger right this side. You have to add ginger when you're cooking anything curry, right? Now to that I'm gonna add the pepper right this side. Pepper look pretty on the plate, but I am only going to add that for flavor because I don't like spicy. I just flavor we are talking about. So that is our vegetable dish. Everything here, the tomatoes, the onion, the bell peppers, oh, all yumptious. Yes, honey. Cooking, cooking, cooking time. Now got it 30 minutes later, right? I have my pot on the fire and I put some cooking oil in there. Any oil of your choice is fine. Any oil you like use is fine. Now to that, I'm going to add another tablespoon of curry powder to it. And you don't want to burn it, okay? Please do not burn your curry powder. To that, I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger. Now, if you don't have fresh ginger, please use ginger powder. Right now, I'm frying up a medium heat. I'm going to cover that up good for about 15 minutes and make that meat come together and do them things with the garlic, and I'll come right back here in about 15 minutes. Okay, goodie. Now that is what your meat looks like after it has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Now y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is add about 3 cups of hot water. Do not add cold water to the meat, y'all. You are going to let the meat stop cooking and the meat is going to get hard and tough. So make sure you add hot water only, and I'm adding 3 cups of hot water. Now to get the meat started to start tenderize, right? This meat should take about an hour or maybe a little bit more, but when this meat is nice and when this meat becomes nice and tender, just the way I want it, you know, I'll come back and show you how to add in all other ingredients. Simmer this thing down nice and then ready to eat, yeah. So meet you back here when this thing is nice and tender. Okay, goodies, it's been about an hour and a half since my meat been cooking, and it's cooked and it's nice and it's tender, just the way I want it. To that, I'm going to add all my veggies in. My hot pepper, right, so I'm not going to cut it, I'm just going to put it in there for added flavor. You can go ahead and cut it if you like, but I'm not. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add some potatoes to it, because potato make curry anything taste better. Then you want to add a cup of hot water to it. Now is the perfect time to taste it to see if you need any added flavor to it. Me think I'm good right just so. But yeah, cover it up nice and tight, give it another half an hour, make everything come together nice and slow, medium heat. And when we're done, this is ready to go up on a plate. Here we go again, goodie. In my Jamaican kitchen, fast, easy and simple, just like you guys requested enough. Yes man, curry goat recipe in your kitchen any time of the week, ready for the table. If you are watching me cooking my version of Jamaican Curry Goat recipe in my kitchen, fast, easy and simple, make sure that you have subscribed. Facebook goodie, make sure to follow me on YouTube as well and subscribe to that channel. Like, share the recipe with your friend, your family, your neighbors, everybody where you want, right? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.